box open. Ah! Huh? This is quite heavy. Yep. Yeah. Let's get out of this box. Whoa, this is cool. Ready? A pony! Whoa. This is cooler than I ever thought. Look at the box. This is the front cover, and her name's Cinnamon, my styling pony. These are the sides of it, and this is the back of it. And they also say, care for your own pretty pony. Also groom her and style her, and we can also put her to nighttime mode. 80 sounds and reactions, and it also has 26 items. We just got to peel there where Regina's had this to get it opened. Oh, there we go. It also comes with a little a box. Ah. I can't believe that actually works. Cute. Now let's open the box. Whoa! Look at that. Maybe these must be clips. And these are, oh my goodness, these are so cute. They're like for the hooves. These are so they're almost like a hoof. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, and it looks like a little headband. That is so cute. That's for her head. Uh-huh. That's hairbrush. That's apple hairbrush. Cute. That's because she must like it shows us on the box. Yeah. Open this box. This one. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's an apple hairbrush. Cute. Oh, those are so cute. Ooh. Ah, I know this is so adorable. This is for the crown. Yeah. Very cute. Uh-huh. And just put them over here. Yeah. The pony also requires batteries. Well, that we're going to do now. Let's turn this pony on. Tilt it down. Don't turn it on. Huh? Whoa! Hi, horse. What's it doing? Now let's try and brush it. Would you like to do the brush? Yes. I think she likes it. Yeah. Cute. Do you think we should decorate her? Yes! Of course. Okay. You should stay still. Maybe we'll do that later. I think she can... Aww. I think she likes it. Oh, that was a cute, cool musical. Hold the button down on the back. awesome.
I like the pool. It's a little flash on it.
Yeah. Gina, do you think we should decorate it?
Yes.
Let's start with the hooves then.
Okay.
First, let's make it sit. I'm moving the hooves. Oh. Okay, that's easier, I guess. To there. There we go. Better.
You do the feet.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Look how pretty her hooves are.
Oh.
Let's put the right way. There we go.
So, let's get the box and look in the box. Oh.
There we go. That looks cute.
Now let's decorate it.
Yep, with these flowers.
But they're so soft.
Yeah, fuzzy.
All I should placed here.
Yep. Whoa, that was easy. Through the hole, yeah? Yeah. Now let's add more flowers.
Oh, you have to decorate the whole thing.
Maybe.
I like to do this Now let's hook on this pony's hair.
There we go. Cute.
Oh, he looks so adorable. And then the crown.
Oh, look how pretty our crown is. We made the crown and
All over the place.
the rope. Let's put it to sleep mode. We just gotta find the button at the back. Oh. So, it'll make this noise. And look, his eyes are already closed.